Ever wished you could zip through your Walmart shopping trip and snag the best deals effortlessly? The secret weapon to a smarter, faster Walmart shop is right in your pocket, and it's the Walmart app's incredible price scanner today. We're unlocking its power so you can go from browsing to saving in seconds. First things first, open your Walmart app. You'll see a few options, but we're looking for that little bar at the top. Why the search bar? Tap right into it. See that little barcode symbol nestled inside the search bar? That's our golden ticket. Give it a tap. Your phone's camera will spring to life now. Find a product on the shelf. It could be anything. Groceries, electronics, home goods. Position your phone so the barcode on the item is clearly visible within the camera's frame. In an instant, the app will find the product and display its price directly on your screen. No more hunting for price tags or waiting for an associate. This is perfect for comparing prices across different brands or sizes of the same product, or even checking if an item is on clearance. You can scan multiple items in rapid succession. Once you've scanned an item, you can see its detailed product page, check for available deals, or even add it directly to your shopping cart or a digital shopping list for later. This feature is a game changer for comparing in-store prices with online deals, ensuring you're always getting the best value. So next time you're at Walmart, ditch the guesswork, master the Walmart app scanner, and transform your shopping into a smooth, efficient, and wallet-friendly experience. Happy saving!